Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mamee.
And this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a package from...
Malaysia!
That's right, Malaysia! This is a package from Mamee Double Decker of Malaysia. Let's crack it open and see what's inside, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's see what we got here. First off, we've got Slurp curry. Okay, so this is extra spicy curry slurp. I remember seeing this one in different packaging, but this is like new packaging, and I think there's one R less, maybe two. But yeah, super spicy, guys. This is super duper spicy. Next up, we've got a Mamee Monster variety. It says eat at your own risk. It's for mature audiences only. I think this is ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper?
Yeah, that means super spicy.
Super spicy. Super spicy.
Is it too spicy?
Yes.
Next up, we've got the Slurp Curry Barapi. This is like another ultra spicy one. It's a slurp variety. I really like the new packaging. This is really cool. This one is spicy curry. What do you think of that?
Curry?
Yeah, it's spicy. You think you could handle that spicy? And then we have it in a cup.
In a cup?
And now this is the ghost pepper one. I've had this one before, and it's really hot. This one's definitely a little too spicy for you. But this is the ghost pepper one, ghost pepper chicken. And here's one of the new ones. This is the habanero spicy chicken. This one's spicy.
Oh.
And then here's their habanero kimchi jjigae. Another spicy. And then here's the extra spicy curry slurp cup. All right, well, a special big, huge thank you to Felix over at Mamee Double Decker for shooting these over. And yeah, we've got some mukbang coming up. We're going to have to try all these things out for you. And hey, this has been Hans. And this has been...
Mamee.
And this has been...
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.